Welcome back to Rachel B, the Healthy We. Today we're going to do an instant recipe moment. And today we're going to be doing a 2-ingredient meat roll-up. But I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to make them a little bit easier so you can enjoy them. So first, you're going to use whatever meat you choose. And if you're using a good quality, clean lunch meat, it's typically a little bit more fragile and easier to rip apart when they just are compressing the breast together instead of processing it. So what I have found is putting down a paper towel on my board and then taking a second one and lightly dabbing it. It's helpful when spreading out your spread so that you don't rip the meat apart. Secondly, whatever spread you are going to use, you want to make sure that you have microwaved it or warmed it in some fashion so that it's much more pliable and easily spreadable. The other thing that wiping it off is it allows that spread to stick really nicely to the meat instead of just sliding off because of the juices in between. So in this particular instance, I am going to be using cream cheese that has a little bit of sweet chili sauce in it. You can use plain cream cheese, Neufchatel. Goat cheese actually makes a really nice texture when it's warmed, or you can even do like an Alouette, a pre-packaged cheese that's nice and clean but already pre-seasoned, or like I said, season your own. Sky's the limit there. Then you're gonna want to make sure, I like to make them nice and tightly rolled. Now the thing about this is because I warmed this, once I let them sit in the refrigerator, it's going to go ahead and this cream cheese is going to re-firm up a little bit, which will keep these nice and tightly rolled. I think these are great for both an appetizer, putting in your kid's lunch. For me, as I've stated before, my husband's a truck driver, so it makes a really yummy, clean and healthy snack for him when he's on the road that doesn't make a huge mess. So I hope this helps and you give it a try, and thanks for this quick moment.